So what are supplements supposed to do? It fills the nutrient gap, supports cellular health and body systems, enhance vitality and long-term wellness. Now, for actions to help, mabili naman sa ka na, moderation pag-supplementation. O niya, iwala mo. Your supplements are there to support your healthy lifestyle, not the other way around. Again, i-take note yun ako, Ana, ang supplements are there to support your healthy lifestyle. Because pag wrong na ni imong paggamit sa supplement, dili nimo ma-appreciate or it may lead to something. For example, nanindot kayo sana pero madaot na siya sa tudyot mo, madaot na siya sa silingan because nag-iiyahang pag-inom. Iyan din mo tambal, which is dapat dili. Iyan din mo tambal sa kanina sakit, which is dapat dili. Mo-support na siya. Pero if na kay maintenance yun ka. But there are supplements na ma-help mas madali imuhang recovery. But that doesn't mean na imuhang iundang imuhang maintenance. So muna siyang usa. If you want, you need to consult your doctor. Na, Doc, I think my cholesterol is good. Can I stop taking this one and drink this vitamins? Dapat you have to communicate your physician because they are there to advise you for your health. So kung wrong na gamit ang supplement, dili na dyan na uinom og supplement. Kaya wrong man yung paggamit. So ang supplementation is there para i-add sa imong healthy lifestyle. Ang sama ng healthy lifestyle, you eat right, you have an active lifestyle, no? You walk for 30 minutes, have yoga, pawala sa stress, minimize stress, you can try breathing in and out, mag-yoga, and that doesn't mean na enroll ka class na mahal sa aning healthy lifestyle. No, nanay YouTube, nanay TV, nanay phone. Maka-search din mo sa YouTube on how to reduce stress sa mga breathing in, breathing out, and of course, your supplementation. Yes. Now here in USANA, this is our flagship, USANA Cell Essentials. This is essentials for your cells. Cell essentials, no? It has 13 multivitamins, 11 essential minerals, 11 antioxidants, and other ingredients. So, kaning cell essentials, this is the foundation of your cells. Muna siya ang food for your cells. Para na ay nutrient imong cells para they can recover faster. And they are ready to combat stress. So that is the purpose of your cell essentials. And also we have optimizers. So isa din yung mga optimizers. Optimizers are there, are described, designed to enhance or support specific health, specific target. So for example, if your cell essentials kay foundation sa imong cells, your complement 30 supports production of cellular energy. Sa ato ang cells natin mitochondria, so ATP. Your ATP has a precursor of coenzyme Q10. Now, as we age, ang coenzyme Q10 nato and alpha, like lipoic acid, nagka-decrease. So your complement 30 is there to help increase the production of your coenzyme 30 para imong cells na energy. And when your cells kay naay energy, it also helps the heart na ma-pump siya well. No? Unsa gani itong top 1 na cause of death karon, it's ischemic heart disease. Unsa din ang ischemic? Weakening of the heart. Dili na siya ka-supply og blood sa tanang organs nimo. Muna siyang dili siya mo reach back sa imong heart, muna imong heart mo stop. So muna imong Complement 30, that's the purpose of your Complement 30. No? It helps support your natural cell production, help protect your cells from damage because it has energy to combat the stress. It supports a strong heart and clear thinking. Ano clear thinking man? When your blood cells has enough oxygen, has enough energy para mo reach yung brain, and if your brain receives enough oxygen, it clears your mind. Mas dali ka maka-memorize, mas dali ka maka-remember of things. So, maunang pag magbilar ka, factor sa nang magbilar, pag magbilar ka, dili siya, imuhang body is weak. That's why, dili siya enough oxygen mo reaching brain. That's why foggy imong brain. That's why you need sleep. Muna siya ang importance of sleep. Proflavanol C100, it supports the health of your immune and cardiovascular system as well as youthful-looking skin. So it has a great seed extract and vitamin C. So these are strong antioxidant. Your grape seed extract, it helps lowers the cholesterol. So this is inspired by the French paradox na kanang hindi kayo sila fatty food, when yung inom og wine to combat that fatty food. Pero kung magsigisip kang inom wine, it contains alcohol, patay sa liver, patay sa cells. So, what we saw na did, they extract the important bioactive of the grape seed and maura na gibutang dito with vitamin C. Ano kay vitamin C? It's a powerful antioxidant. It stimulates the cause of vitamin C and your pro-glutamine is good pag dali ka, masakit ka. So, pro-glutamine is for you. But also, you can take this together for protection. Pero if you want to focus lang your immune system, then you can drink pro-glutamine alone. So, muna siya ang difference sa pro-glutamine and policy. And policy, katong dili pwede sa ascorbic acid kay gabi kayo acidic ang tiyan. This uses mineral ascorbate, no, para makaya ra sa imong tiyan. Okay ra siya for acidic person kanang dali ra magkuan ang tiyan maghilang. For skeletal system, no, Usana Magnical D and Proposa. So, kita as we age, our bone density nagka-decrease. Our calcium production nagka-decrease. Especially sa women which is prone sa osteoporosis because, of course, kita ba yung mga anak na asa man magkuha o calcium ang baby sa atua. So, that's why mas prone ta o mga sakit-sakit sa bone. So, your Usana Magnical D, it helps maintain strong mineral-rich bones. It contains magnesium, calcium, and vitamin D3. While your Proposa, it supports joint health. So, kanang mga tingling sensations sa joint, muna siya, kana siya nakakos na siya o kanang wala na ikaw lubricant ang joint nimo, wala na siya nakaproduce ng tarong. So, your Proposa helps, no, sa pag-moisturize, pag-help o lubricate sa joints. Now, your glucosamine HCl na siya sa atuang body, but as we age also, nag-reduce yun na ang production. For endocrine, you rest if you're having a hard time sleeping. If you want to reset your sleep cycle, then pure rest is for you. So melatonin, it only contains the normal, the natural, no, hormone of our body, melatonin. So sublingual niya siya, dili niya siya inundation, so immoral siyang ipamelt under your tongue. So muna ang pure rest. Pagmento plus for the men. So kani ang lalaki, no, very kuanin nila ang prostate health as they age. So kanang gamit sa niya siya when kanang as they age, kanang ditang frequent ang pag-adto urination. So, kung ang babae na may hormonal imbalance, ang lalaki nasa hormonal imbalance. So, that is your prostate. Your Palmetto Plus, ako ang sister kay naka-PGI man sa Soto, so mostly ang mga laki dito na may prostate problem because ni-increase ang ilahang dihydrotestosterone, which is ang cause ang effect ana kay mo dako ba ang ilang prostate. So your Palmetto Plus can help you by i-regulate lang sakto ang imuhang prostate health. Muna ang Palmetto Plus. Procom for moodness, especially sa bayan.
Mood swing.
For moodness, no, helps the body and brain adapt to occasional stress with powerful adaptogens that aid in mood management. So, for mood management, this is so nice.
Pang mood swing.
Yeah, mood swings, irritability, if you want, makalmarang ha. Then, actually, my sister also uses this one. Actually, my sister is a resident doctor in Eversley, na siya sa pediatrics. And kung gamit siya, ni usahay pagka ng, hindi na lang niya kaya.
Sa
Pero
puton.
padong na siya kuan.
Sa puton.
Oo niya, public hospital, kaya, o niya, kanang ditang dili nimo ma-blame ang parents kay walang-wala man jud mo nang usahay malate sila adto. So, usahay ang sister mo gamit ani para like kalma lang siya ba. Dili lang siya kanang irritate bitaw dali. So, muna siya, calm. For nervous system, pwede rin mo. Alali mo, boss, kalma. Kaya, boss, okay ito niya mga report pero kalma sa boss. Naman yung mga boss. Now, for nervous system, no, we also have for the brain, and this is really good because it stimulates the neurotransmitter, what we call acetylcholine for memory and attention. So, as in, it will enhance. So, ako sister siya nagagamit ana siya na sa una, malawas daw siya sa exam. Karoon gili na daw siya malawas. Kung kabray mo din, nagawa. Saka ang attention niya daw. Sa dali, makakalimutin. Copa Prime is for you. And Copa Prime is really nice because it contains antioxidant para dili madaot atong brain sa stress, sa free radicals. It protects your brain. Nasa what we call neuroprotective na mo-code sa imong brain para mag-protect siya from free radicals. Vision X. Actually, Vision X is so nice. Kani Vision X is for your eyes. It acts sa macula. So ato ang eyes, ang macula nasa deeper level, so it deposits there all the nutrient needed to sharpen your vision. And it protects from all the UV lights because cellphone, laptop, no? This really helps not as an antioxidant sa ato ang eyes. Your Vision X. Digestive system. For digestive system, we have USANA digestive enzyme. This is really good for occasion na eating. If you need to help for digestion, then you can use USANA digestive enzyme. And we try to ako after eat all you can. It really helps you digest and really maka-feel of bloating after eating. So, dali rani mo siya ano siya. So, muna yung digestive enzyme. So, for probiotic is kanang underrated na need nato. Actually, your gut, no, nana siya mga study na mulink na siya to some diseases.
Ako nag-use ko ano.
Ang isa na digestive enzyme.
Probiotic lang, pero really different naman.
Probiotic. Yes, ang probiotic is live bacteria na siya na a good bacteria that is good for your stomach, for your gut. It supports healthy digestion and immune function. Nga maka-help siya immune function. Once gani imong good bacteria, dili nimo kanang pakanon, it will put there the intestinal wall. And when they get to other areas of your body, imong immune system na na siya gitawag na photographic memory sa mga nisulod na bitaw sa imuhan ng mga bacteria. Di man na familiar sa iya ha, mo nang makawit sa immune system kay bago man na-introduce sa iya ha. So, ang purpose of probiotic is to feed your good bacteria sa imuhang gut. This is to help you also with your digestion, to have a healthy gut. Now, Hepasil detox. For Hepasil, this is a really good for the liver. My mother also uses this one. It supports the body's natural detoxification process. And did you know your Hepasil, it has silimarine. Your Hepasil stimulates the production of glutathione. And your glutathione is really a powerful antioxidant sa imuhang liver para ma-eliminate ang bad deposits sa liver. So, it also helps in the skin because it stimulates glutathione. Now, unsa day ng kanang glutathione na ID? So, actually, as a pharmacist, wala joy i-approve na FDA na kanang ID infusion. And wala sa study na ang glutathione makaputi. Note, kay ang mga tao is so obsessed with skin. O na, mali na dito ilahang ipang-take. So as part of the family also, USANA and as kami, pharmacists, kami din mo educate, na be careful with the IV glutathione because it damages your kidney. And naana dyan mga kuana na cases, no, luwi tayo. And muna siya because ang glutathione na synthesize, so nindot kayo ang detoxification sa inyong liver. Ang glutathione man good kayo, nag-decrease na siya as we age. And especially pag drinker ka, mag-decrease yun ang production sa inyong normal glutathione in your body.
Ang sa tablet niya, miss, wala na po.
Ang say ma'am?
Tablet sa Glota.
Tablet
Di ba na may Glota nga tablet?
Actually, no, ang tablet, paano siya ma'am, nindot man good na aming nutrition coach program na ang nitudlo dyan dito kay ang scientist about sa production sa manufacturing sa Lusana. Ana siya na wala daw nag-i-include ang glutathione because based sa ilang study, decrease ang absorption. So, mura na siya wala. Oo. So, nga lang mag-utang sila dito na wala recommend. So, what they did, ilahang ipangitag pamaagi na increase ang production dito sa glutathione para ma-stimulate ang production sa glutathione sa inyong liver. Dito ko na miss, wow. Kanang kato siya na program kay Makapaw, natapakuan sa amuha kay kami, kung ang sarili gitudlo sa amuha, wala sa baya, research kami, lagi man dito scientist ang from yung sana ang istorya sa imuha about sa product kay mga sabot ka. So dito siya, maunang wala siya glutathione na kuan. Yes,
I have one question related to glutathione. You are into the production of butter and everything. How do you comment on the side effects of glutathione
Yeah.
into whitening? That's the real reason actually why they're eating glutathione, not because to whiten, but it is because of your body when it progresses, it causes a side effect. Either you are whitened or I don't know, you become brown or
Reliever.
Actually, ma'am, if you search the, no, if you search the, wala siya study na ang glutathione makapawiden.
whiten.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
If you search the, glutathione is an antioxidant. It's a really good antioxidant sa imong body. And when you have a powerful antioxidant sa imong body, imong cells kaya rin niya i-battle ang mga stressors sa life. Now, if kaya niya i-battle, you will have that youthful glow.
So does it probably their side thinking of like what we call
Yes.
sa kanya sa Cebuano na to, una-una rin na nila.
No.
Yes, what we call the placebo effect. Yes.
Placebo.
Because sometimes what you feed to your to the tao, most of ilahang ikuan. You know, Pinoys are very with totoo. Ato sa mga uto-uto. So it's mo na ako ang ma'am. Actually, mo na ako ang gina-promote na. If once a joy giinom nimo, you have to dig deep of that because you introduce that one to your body.
Honestly, for 8 years, a lot introduced me of glutathione, but I said, puti naman
Oh.
ko.
Mm.
But my very question when I read it, it's about kidney.
Mm.
So that's why I asked, because probably it's the side effects when you take something.
Yeah, so actually ma'am, sa pharmacy na mo before sa student quiz, biggest question man din na siya, we call that adverse effect of your glutathione. That means that you're introducing your body a high amount of glutathione na dili kaya sa imong body. So, muna ang adverse effect. Adverse effect is what we call na kanang dili siya nindot na effect ba sa imong body.
Or probably they were deceived because nobody really checked what is glutathione
Yes.
in that particular tablet.
Mhm.
I think so.
But with the tablet, ma'am, we call it placebo effect because pag glutathione na tao niya nag-reject sa siya, so napaklit iya hampuan. So ang iyang thinking ato, glutathione ang nakakuan, pero ang glutathione has poor absorption, based sa scientist, poor absorption siya. And dito na nila, because of Pinoy are so obsessed of being puti, kahit morena ka. So, they undergo eye cream, which is harmful siya. And wala yung FDA approved.
Bahala patay, basta puti.
I have one from the other side. This is the Copper Prime.
Yes, ma'am.
I observed American ginseng, Bacopa,
Monieri.
extra. Why the ginkgo biloba is not included?
Mhm.
The ginkgo biloba, ma'am, is another parang nootropic supplement, but we kuan.
Because
I don't know with the scientists also, because ilang goal based sa katong module 4 and module 3 maguna na ko ang sa nutrition coach. Ang yang highlight the purpose of the ingredient are there para to yung matching and to
the effect.
synthesize the neurotransmitter responsible to that. So the ginkgo biloba wala sa nako siya na kuan kung sa difference ana niya, but ano siya ng mga ingredient, they synthesize the neurotransmitter what we call acetylcholine for memory and attention.
Kaya na-prove nila.
Yes. Actually sa mga akong sister, and there are some also pero testimonies na sa ilahasan na, but we do not really claim.
Or probably because
Sorry,
of the
Sasha.
it's because probably of the matching when you do the laboratory testing and the effect, as you said a while ago, it's the absorption.
Absorption. Basically, absorption siya.
Absorption because this is
Dapat
something.
siyang factor.
Yeah, because you're focusing on the cellular system. So probably the effect of the ginseng, the bacopa, and the coffee extract is more absorbed faster than the other ingredients.
Yes,
probably.
ma'am. Siguro that's one factor. But, wala lang kami ko sa ginkgo biloba because wala kayo na ano. So actually, no, the probiotic also kay, there was this one also associate na nagpa-help sa amuha because doctor ang iyahang gi-educate and pag doctor ka, very skeptical, tanan, kuan, ni-ask siya, nga nang gugamit ang probiotic, ana, na may lahi na probiotic, kung sa may different, kung sa may nakalahi, ana. So muna siya, no, one thing when you talk to doctors, you should be prepared sa inyong kuan. So, muna siyang probiotic, no? These are muna dapat siya ang criteria of using a probiotic na kana siya, good yun na siya na probiotic. So, aside from ang usa ka edge sa probiotic isa na is powder, which is stable compared to other probiotics that are ready to drink, yogurt, dali ra siya ma-spoiled ba? Dali ra siya madaos, kunya dili mo madala-dala. So aside from that, ang Risana is powder form, you can bring it anywhere, you can drink it anywhere. So ang probiotic sad, mo sa ni ang i-consider. So first, your probiotic needs to be alive when consumed. So dapat alive siya to get a beneficial effect of your probiotic. Second, they need to be ingested in a dosage high enough to cause an effect. Sakto lang ang iyang content, which is ang Risana probiotic, na study dyan na siya na with 12 billion CFU na bacteria nila, makakause na siya of potential effects sa inyong body. So, dapat it's backed by science. Third, no, the live bacteria we take must provide a real health benefit. So, after using that one, you can see result, no, long-term result of your gut. Now, of course, to understand the gut, no, wala lang, I just want to share this documentary because this really helped me reduce weight kay, no, katong pregnant ko, ni-gain man ko a lot of weight because mga naman sila na dili daw nila makita na pregnant ko niya. I don't know with the pregnancy brain, maglagot jud ka komentan. Gamay na butang maglagot na. So I eat a lot. Ang entry ako with ako dili akong baby. So ang baby ni-stay pa sa hospital kay di-monitor yung weight gain. So ako, nag-problem ako saan pag-lose weight. So I tried a lot, no? A lot of things, it will just cause kind of stress sa ako ang body. So, most of siya, I introduced this one to my student also sa nutrition coach to be able to understand your gut. Very helpful niya siya na documentary. So, Hack Your Health, The Secret of Your Gut. So, dito niyo malaman ang saka-importance ang gut microbiome.
Yeah.
O unsay relation niya sa weight gain, sa imong skin health, daghan siyang relation. And of course, no, for the baby, no, we have kung ang adult na ay essentials ang baby nasa tayo sa animals, no. This is also the foundation of their cell nutrition, ang animals. And ako as a mother, I'm very skeptical of the ingredient. So, when you look at the ingredient, importante dun na siya. Sige, tandaan ka mo. Ang ingredient, by weight na siya. So, when you see a gummy bear na kanang nilipaka, makita niyo ang glucose kay taas. So, meaning, imuhang i-feed, imuhang baby og sugar. Taas na sugar. So, kamo, magtanaw naman mo ng vitamin C, sir man mo, tanawan ang first ingredient, maunay pinakataas na ingredient or by weight na siya ang pag-plaster ana sa ingredients. Now, also advanced collagen, no? I also use this one, no? Kaya nagkuhan mo ko postpartum hair fall. It really helps, actually. For skin, hair, and nails, no? For skin aging support, maintenance of skin elasticity, moisture for well-hydrated, healthy skin, firms lips, and tightens the appearance of skin, supports neutralization of oxidative stress. It has collagen hydrolyzed, collagen type 1 and 3, biotin, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. Unsay nakalahi, unsay edge ani sa lain. So, sa lain, number one time na conduct me of spa party, ningon siya na na, ma'am, I have a collagen capsule. So, I know na ang collagen capsule, that will not work alone because nandiyan na siya certain absorption na. That's why you need cofactors to stimulate more of the collagen. So, sabi sana, stimulation is really important with the production of the important hormones of our body. So, hyaluronic acid, this is really good for skin moisture. Biotin for hair and nails, and of course, vitamin C.
Excuse me, I have one little question for advanced collagen. You mentioned there biotin. What is the standard weight for biotin to have an effect for skin and hair?
I'll try to look at common content. Please focus on the ingredient alone. But I'll get back to you on that, ma'am. I'll review the picture man sad ko sa ingredients.
Yes. Send.
Yeah, magkuhan na ma'am. For also we have a toothpaste now, whitening toothpaste featuring ATP1. So this is really good for kanang bad breath. So there are certain bacteria sa imuhang mouth, then you can use this one because it features ATP1, which is to combat bacteria na makakause of bad breath. And also it's fluoride free. Muna siya yung whitening toothpaste of use na.
Is it proven to white? Example, I'm drinking coffee a day for 4 cups. Can it whiten?
Actually, it depends. It really depends on the lifestyle, I think, sa ma'am. Kaya for me, actually, bago pa man ko man sa sana, so I tried the products that are kanang sa visual sa before ko ni-take sa vitamins. Kaya ang visual mong good, kanang mas dali mo tuo ang tao pag nakita sa iyong
Ang effect.
Ang effect. So, whitening, actually, naasa ko testimony na ni white jud siya gamay for 1 month. And nakoy, walang nako na-update.
See the difference.
See the difference because kanang mag-travel ni usahay ba, so like, tinuod ka ng question ni ma'am na, is it kuhan, is it ano?
Ako user ko of coffee, I have my whitening clean good, you know. So example, I drink coffee today for 4 cups, so make sure that when you come back, na dito ay brush yung sa atong teeth kay
It really stains.
a little bit makuha gid siya. So if this really works out that well, definitely it will really be effective to everyone. Kay you can man mo yung kape.
Coffee drinker na kaya mga Pinoy.
Nagkakaayo. Atong lifestyle. So this is a real lifestyle. You just buy what you saw whitening toothpaste. You can drink a lot and you don't go to the dentist.
Yes.
Whitening the teeth, di
Very
ba?
powerful na
Powerful siya
selling
yun.
point.
Oh, okay. Even ako, the first question, ipangita, meaning, sorry to say this, ha? You are campaigning for someone to buy. So the first thing to attract to a person is what she needs. So if I approach Arlene, oh, she wants a whitening, her teeth is not white. Whitening.
That's why the associates man na they need to use the product.
Correct.
Mo dyan na yung number 1. Mo dyan ang i-promote na because walay models, wala may ambassadors ang isana because they are the
You are the
ambassadors. You are the ambassador. Mo dyan na ang promote na mo na to use the product, especially sa atong mga dali makita. So, muna akong gibuhat first, no, ikakuan pa min ako, I was kanang March nung ko nagsugod pa, so dali ra siya. So, nasa ko testimonies about that. Oh. So, muna siya, so we really, moral convince the society use the product so that katutuuhan sa kuwan. Okay? When you're in the medical, this one, health and wellness, dapat yun makita sa inyo ha. Because that, ikaw ang model sa product mo baga. So of course, no, the active nutrition, we also have for weight management. So, mo ang for weight management, these are your gluten-free, non-GMO, natural ingredients, convenient, low in sugar or no added sugar. So meaning low glycemic index, kaya once you take it, dili mo spike mo ang sugar levels. So we have Nutri-Meal, a protein blend, gluten-free and low glycemic drink. So Nutri-Meal is for meal replacement. Pwede siya meal replacement because nana siya enough protein and carbohydrate to support you. No? So may it be breakfast, lunch, dinner. Also this one, ako sa user sa Jukuan, and masijud na ako na dili ka dali manambok if not kay Active Plus supplement. Why? Because it burns your fat and convert it into energy. So this is really good pang pre-workout. So before I run, I drink Active Plus. Kaya para ang energy niyo sa pag-run
My question, ma'am, on my experience ba, anong feeling na ako, sa ako amorag mas powerful pa siya sa coke nun?
Yeah, sa
Sa ako ang
Pokemon.
experience ba?
Actually,
when it comes to
ma'am,
energy, nga,
Mhm.
ma-drive out sa
Because ato ang body ma'am, especially sa girls, are high in fats. Now, pag ma-breakdown ng fats, convert niya sa energy. And when you have that kind of amount of fats na converts into energy, grabe dun nung mura ka mo palpitate, ma'am. Actually, I first tried this one, nag-palpitate jud ko. So, oh my gosh, mara ko drink of coffee. So that's why, dili ni siya pwede inom after 7 p.m. Kaya dili ka katulog because puno pa ka of energy.
Buhay.
Kani sa siya, ma'am, your coconut turkey is for your cells. Kani siya, focus lang siya sa breakdown sa yung fats. Sama na siya. Fiber G active, no? If not kay probiotic, dapat nasa kay prebiotic. Your prebiotic are food for your probiotic, for your good bacteria. Because dili jud kita no, kita man tanan dili jud enough atong fiber intake. So your Fiber G is there to help you. For detox tea also, nasa 20, no?
Huh?
Yeah, we have tea, relieving occasional feelings of bloating and gas, maintaining health of your gut, support regularity and calming feelings. Then of course, electrolyte mo nasa the electrolyte because after the workout, natin itawag na muscle recovery. And there are essential minerals na nawala sa atong body, no? Na napagawas. So that's why we need replacement for those electrolytes. Natin water electrolyte, important for muscle recovery. So nakabantay mo ang dali ra mo makraman?
Yes.
Oh, sasad na.
Wala sa
Kuha mo electrolyte. That's one thing. You know, that's one thing. Kulang electrolyte. Well, jogging ko, nag-running ko, okay. Kulang doon ko electrolyte. Kaya nakraman. Or kulang sa stretching. So na. And of course, no, your Usana Celavine. I call this Celavine mo, it makes your cells alive.
Wow.
So, dili lang siya mo-address sa imong skin concern like kanang liharang tabunan, but it communicates to your cells to do something about your skin problem. So, unsa may para kinsa man ni, this is for 25 and above no, sa mga nanay skin aging problem or nag-maintain na sila sa ilahang healthy skin. So, restore moisture and support. So, makita niyo si Sir na nagtintag-tintag ng mga dangas. Mahilanan niyo anak sa labib kay nagtuan na kanang sinaw-sinaw.
Sir?
Kana sa ability to reduce signs of aging. No, it brightens healthy-looking skin, enhanced look of firmness, visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve hydration, appearance of soft and smooth texture, and visibly even skin
But
tone.
unfair, sorry, miss, I will a little bit make some. Ikaw pa, when it comes to old aging, from your side, which one aged faster, the man or the woman?
There are a lot of factors for aging, yes, especially sa ilang exposures to the sun and exposure to stress.
Okay.
If ang babae exposed sa stress, may it be emotional stress or there are a lot of factors na tapos na bukas-pas ang iyang aging.
Can you notice it between the two? With your words, can you notice it between the two? Men and women. I mean, based from your words. Based from your words, stress and everything.
Actually, it depends. Also, because sometimes, ma'am, ako napansin, it depends on the nature of their work. For example, sister, if they're exposed sa sun, mas ma-feel mo ang, mas ma-see mo ang wrinkles niya and something that the sun na ay dark spots or something like that. Sa babae naman, I think ang babae kay is more on emotional stress.
I don't think so.
Or something like that.
Sorry to
Yes,
to
okay,
that
ma'am.
point. That's why I raised that issue because you point out, Mr. Abay, din Di ba, sir? So, sorry to see the age, young or
Yeah.
old, but sometimes you cannot notice which one is having stress.
Yes, of course.
Can you tell me exactly how old I am? So if you say it's an emotional stress, sunlight, or whatever the stress, any radicals that comes into your body, okay, you can notice immediately that the person has this aging. I don't think so. Because I'm 60 years old.
And you're looking 50. Actually, no, it really depends also on how you handle yourself.
Because I don't
care.
like to make the point that one will be speaking you sana and say you are old like this, ma-embarrass ang
Ay,
client
hindi.
pa. You know, we have to be careful that point because I think yun, nahiwalay na mong joke. Tao ka lang kung kawata. Tao ka lang kung tiguan. You know, I want to tell you this story because it makes us a big joke yun. And one of my friend got angry with me when I was a little bit younger. I say, ikaw tiguan ka. I was a little bit.
No, we don't do that, Mama. Kasi may nag-iwan
So, ang happening is when we see how you can compare stress, right? Younger generation, middle generation, and the older generation, we are mixed here. So, how can we pinpoint a person that you're having a tension or a stress when you have a beautiful face, you smile a lot, but deep inside you have an emotional
Yeah.
stress? That's a hidden stress which only psychologists even not cannot detect that stress.
Actually,
Because you can
depende
handle it
siguro sa
properly.
ilang pag-sell or sa ilang statement said, ma'am, on how they introduce the
Smile lang
product.
gid, smile.
Smile again.
Smile again.
How they introduce the
Because
product.
Celebi, you know, I study Celebi, part of that is already put it in my body, but I never use it. I'm just new also. I'm using only Cell Essential, which is really 102% in. This product, when you sell this, and you say, magkagwapa, Junita, and you're looking mom. So, di ba?
What I did, ma'am, we handle Salavi spa party. So this is just an introduction because in Salavi we also have like a spotlight for the product. So in Salavi spa party, what I usually do if ako mismo ang ipakontak sa associate, my introduction is what are you looking for a product? Because iba-iba tayo ng address of the skin
type.
Skin type, and of course, kung sa ako ang ganahan i-address ako ang skin.
Kung hiyang ba po ang body?
Yeah.
Yeah, oo.
Because if the product, the content of the product might be some allergic to the skin,
Yeah,
like me,
oo.
I'm allergic, okay? So I cannot use, that's why when you look at a certain beauty products, you have to look at it
You look at
first.
ingredients.
Especially Philippines is so hot, we are tropical. So definitely I am very 101% that this product is defined to Filipinos, correct? And this is under tropical, not only on the aircon.
Yeah.
Because if this will reduce fine lines and wrinkles. This one is really difficult to address to every Filipina buying the products, especially if the price is quite high.
Mm-mm.
So the remedy is the person offering to me, I have to see to it.
Yeah.
She is really using the
The
Celebi.
product.
Because if she said, Mom, this is 16,000, oh boy, 16,000, how many wrinkles do you have? Just a joke. Just a joke. And sit Monday, sit. It's a set. You cannot be whitened or clearly visible skin without buying those toner and sun, day cream, night cream, all of these things. These are 5 products to make it one set. And how many days or weeks and months you're using to make your skin super clean and youthful appearance.
Yes.
As like who, 20 years old, 40 years old? So this is exactly what I want to understand the Celebi. How really will take effect to a beauty. That if you're using the products, let's say 3 months, I can see you have a beautiful red and pinkish face.
Yeah.
But how old? Not
Yeah.
30 years old.
Mm-mm.
Should be not 30. You can convince the 40s
The 60s.
if you are 50 offering, not the 20s. Because you see, Mom, I'm using this. And how old are you? 22. Ay, kalimpiday. Kalimpiday.
Yes,
Diba?
because
I mean,
mas
sorry,
fast ang
it's
self
just
care.
one way of saying sorry, Day. Daghan pa kung bugas mapalit, yun ang the philosophy.
Yeah.
So we have to adjust how to address this. Like, yes, we have to choose like wealthy, a little bit higher figures, you know, wearing a Prada or any signature bags, even if it's imitation, probably. But talking about 16,000, my question is, how many days can they whiten, and how many months again? I have to repeat. Because the beauty thing is repetitiveness and continuous. So the continuance, meaning when you promote a certain product, let's say there is also an ROI.
Yes.
ROI. Just like a while ago when we said so essentials, I don't mind counting because it really helps my body. At the age of 60s, wow, I could be 40s probably. So that one I can promote with that when they look at me, Ma'am, unsa man dyan yung vitamins man? Sigurado ka, naka-size
The
me.
product speaks for you.
Mas ipila pag yun na, Ma'am. Oh. So dili sila mo tanong sa akong appearance, but we look at how my body kick at the 60.
How active you are.
How active I am. But when you promote 16,000, even ako, ako ba naon yun mo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will
That's why,
Result,
ma'am,
result.
number one, Jude, we always encourage the associate to try. Because ikaw ang namaligya, so dapat it speaks for you. So muna siya ang always, and ako ma'am, I always emphasize what are you looking for a product. And if your skincare is backed by science, dapat siya study sana ma'am. Okay, these one are studied and conducted clinical trials.
And also, I additionally, because this is based on my experience using skincare,
Mm-mm.
you have to go to a certain clinic to test
Yeah.
your skin.
Yes.
What particular moisture that you're going to use. So same probably of Celebi, you cannot just apply. If this is that much expensive, we have a machine that tested your skin.
Mm-mm.
That means when you test this, actually it is a very high brand which a little bit expensive. But when you go there, there's some machine that you say, oh, Ms. Erlene, you cannot use that. But in your thinking, you are saying, I'm oily. No, you're not oily, ma'am. That's only your thinking.
Mm.
But it needs a machine to
analyze it.
To analyze.
Actually, ma'am, na-conduct na siya. So, we undergo this one skin analyzer. We also have that one in Makati. And also, we held that one sa isa ka event sa Skincare Caravan. So, masini mo ang difference na sa moisturization niya and just using increase ang iyang moisture. So, factors na siya when you know your skin.
Dili pa, Jud. My experience was, no, I have to address because we are buying an expensive and quality products. This is made in USA. This is not made in China. So, it is worth if Ma'am Joy, really Ms. Arlene, even though before pa siguro si Ma'am Joy, kutubra sa 5,000, manyata siya 16. Because that's a complete set. You cannot sell one product, right? It will no effect. Kung mupalit ka og one product sa Celebi, you
Yeah.
have to buy all the 4. Not even start by. Huwag yun na. Hindi na mo effects atong face
Yeah.
yun. So, the first yun na ko, you know, when I went to the skincare, they have to check first my skin.
Yes, yes.
Then they suggest, this is for you, this is for you. You cannot do this because you are this. Don't buy this because this is not good for you. So meaning, based on the moisture or dryness of your skin or the quality of your skin type, that's the product that they're going to buy. So like, of course, sorry to say this, huh? Like Celebi, if they have the analyzer, it will help a lot because if we are promoting a real product, you know, in the streets a lot now are very rampant,
Yeah.
promoting sets of skincare which is only 5,000. You know, 5,000, no comparison.
Yeah.
But when you want to do the marketing, you will encounter the headaches. So, like all the products, we women, the first thing they ask me, Miss Arlene, what did you use? Did you use Celebi? Sige sa akong mata, kaya wala para ba kumugamit, right?
Yeah.
So, dili sa dyo touch, unless ingon si Ding mo attend me sa party. But since you are here,
Yeah,
thank you.
oo.
So,
Actually, sayang wala na po na dala ang products because if you really try it, maka-feel ka
Magpa-party kayo na dire
for,
for
yeah,
for
more
moisture.
No, but it's possible.
Nakasalan mo sa ako. Parating
You
na
have
ako, Sriyan.
analyzer, skin analyzer.
Actually, it's only in Makati because it's
okay.
really expensive. So we try to coordinate pa
It
with
will really
Makati.
help because every person has its skin
Mga pilay amount na lang, ma'am?
Wala sa total answer.
So,
Kaya
But
mahal mo yung body.
I tried talking to Ma'am Shara about that. They say na let's see sa Makati because kung transportation basing maunsa ang machine. So it's risky. So kailangan pa lang mo siya ilaban para ma-purchase diri sa Cebu. So they need to
Like
see
in
the
Baguio,
market pa ba, sir? Oo, kay you cannot purchase a machine if wala pa kay budget for that or dili siya magawi based sa performance sa sales. So depende siya sa
Kasi ma'am, dili pwede na rin, gamay rin halin sila bib.
Actually, ang salagin may open pa rin sa business, yes.
No, actually, Celebi is the best. You know
Mhm.
why? Honestly speaking, every person will ask me, Miss Arlene, what product are you using? So stop lang to balik niya ron ay. You know, it's like your face is the real front line of
Yeah, marketing.
marketing.
Mhm.
So a little enhancing, it will say, I'm using Celebi, but you say, I'm just starting.
Mhm.
But there's an effect. You know, women who wanted to beautify, especially the age of 40s and 50s.
Yes.
These are the age, especially 50s good. Proven good na. Magpakabata ang mga tiguang.
That's
Sure,
true.
di ko alam.
Kaya ang mga bata, nagaliog.
Oh,
Katiguang. Tinawag na.
Babae o lalaki
Ay,
ka.
sa'yo mo balik yan, yan edad. Balik ko.
Proven good na. Maski pa na wait kwarta. Don't underestimate Filipinos.
Mhm.
Because they can find money even
Bigyan ng yuta
25 mo
para-
ato lang kang 20. Sorry to say this.
Yeah, yeah.
Name, Bello, or any top, you know, clinic. Want to give sila kay gusto man mo testing. So now when they look at Miss Joy and wow, it's so radiating at age at 40s, you look like 20s, you know, mupalit siya.
Yes.
Diba?
That's why, ma'am, in selling this one, of course, testimonies are really important. So you cannot market if wala sa kay testimony. So for me, sa akong na-experience lang sa kay, I was in manufacturing na dun siya, ma'am, and the chemicals, in the long run, sa akong 3 years of work, chemicals and sun exposure really kuandro siya, affected siya sa aking skin at my age. So I was worrying jud na kanang unsa man ko I'm just in my late 20s pero nganong murag 30 na ko na or kanang kuan ana na uga na kaayo and dry because of the exposure sa kuan. So sakto jud tong ingon ni ma'am actually. I budgeted 5,000 just to my skincare but to think wala ko kabalo unsa jud ang para nako na skincare. So muna siya. So when this one introduced also to me, katong pag-hire nako, mo jud ni ako ang giuna og purchase because I don't want to share a product na dili nila makita sa ako. So I have a testimony actually, na-share na ko siya sa Iloilo and Bacolod. Wala na ko siya na-appeal din me because akong i-appeal lang ka ng sa Malaysia ba and kailangan mga testimonies yun. So my pores were really big back then because of the chemicals. There was something na kanang nikuan siya sa akong skin and mind you, mugawas ni and inspect ni sa bottles because sa bottling, sa Henapral, kailangan sa na i-inspect para mag-go na siya ninyo ang sun, really there. So, dako rin siya damage akong skin and lahi-lahi mga good testimonies and
Sorry to
opinions.
stop you there.
Mm-mm.
You are from the laboratory, chemically you are aware. What exactly causes your stress on the sunlight? That's because what's the content in the beauty products has a side effects when there is a sunlight and you need a sunblock, right?
Yes.
So these are the things that the women should understand in the real system for the beauty, especially it comes of pigmentation later on.
Yeah,
You have
of
no
course.
pigments, but later on when you use this, especially if there is a chemicals that mix into this CeraVe, that can cause you irritate your skin. So that's why it's very important to know first
To know
what
the
type
ingredients.
of your skin,
Yeah.
because it will damage us again, especially when the sunlight.
Mm.
So that means there is a little bit, what do you call it? Like mga hydroquinone, tretinoin A, or any other semi products that been using by CeraVe that trigger the effect of sunlight.
Mm.
I'm very particular with this because I study
Oo.
study products in Japan.
Mm.
So I'm very aware of the cosmetics field.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, we can conduct CeraVe Spa Party to really discuss ma'am. So, actually prepare for this day, sana difference and just introduce the CeraVe. Because when I conduct sa CeraVe Spa Party, I always introduce them sa unsay maapekto sa inyong skin and what the sunlight can do for you. And also highlights the ingredients of CeraVe. But it's so many na, or ang i-focus is sa nutritionals. Oo, wala lang ako be ready ang CeraVe na slides. Because like introducing lang siya na we have a skincare. But also seriously can conduct.
Yes,
Kay,
ma'am. Pili ka daan.
Doon sa Bacolod, I was conducting also na siya spa, na siya beauty spa sa Bacolod, sa Iloilo, I mean, beauty spa sa Iloilo. So dito siya nakakuan sa about sa CeraVe and she purchased also no para kuan and gi-invite sa niya to go sa ilang beauty spa. So mga business beauty spa tong kuan ni Ma'am RN sa ako talk. That's why gi-prepare din ako skin, understanding your skin and what you're looking for a product. Because that's number one. I myself also have experienced that one. And it's so frustrating na grabe na imong gasto na walay effect. Kaya tungod, wala din mo na-understand imong ang skin. So, mo na siya. So, we can conduct a spa party for sa CeraVe. So, of course, this was our new product, no? Among top-notch, no, the resurfacing serum. It has exfoliants, peptides. Your peptides are good for collagen stimulation. Niacinamide for dark spots. And bakuchiol, we do not use retinol because katong imo ma'am, there are harmful substances that can trigger irritation of your skin. That's why bakuchiol, bioretinol, kay mas sa skin mo. But we really advise our customers, if you use this one, you use sunblock or you use this during at night because it has an exfoliator. That's why.
Glycolic and
So it's really important if you share also skincare products, you have to understand also the product that you're selling. And you have to advise also your kung isang i-present na ma'am, hindi niyo siya pwede pangbuntag, dapat gabi ni siya if na siya. So, your resurfacing serum, it addresses the clarity of your skin, the texture, the firmness, and it brightens your skin.
Murang available na nito.
Yeah, available na niya siya. So these are from Malaysia, testimonies from Malaysia. So before we launch the product, na kami ipagamit anak ng mga associates, so mga skincare problem room. So this is visible improvements with Salabib. And of course, no, we also highlight this one, no, na it may work sa usa, but it may not work for you. It really depends on your skin type. That's why, katulad ni ma'am, you should really understand your skin, kung ano sa needs sa imong skin, because result may vary. Depending sa imuha sang nature of work.
Ma-affect po ba ma'am ang food lifestyle?
Yeah, food, sir. Ang lifestyle din sa food nimo because ang gut nato, sir, nasa siya relation sa skin problems. So if you introduce parang synthetic mga food na it's not good for you, then it will result also outside.
Yes, mauna sa ko ano. Namo ko'y hormonal imbalance. So laguwat ko na abay pang hormonal. Muna ko gi-weight.
Actually, ma'am, for hormonal imbalance, you can take Biomed Essentials because I was also testimony na ko, ma'am. I usually don't share this one because we do not claim. But sa mga na-experience na ko, I was sa hormonal imbalance, wala ko imbalance for 6 months because of stress way back when I was a student studying pharmacy. Dami rin stress. So, nag-result siya. So, I was diagnosed with PCOS, both ovaries. So, mas gabi akong left. Since akong mama kay wala naliganahan na nag-pills ko, kasi student ako. Oo. And then, pills ang, meron siya pride niya pa na, oh my gosh, ako ang anak, the pills na niya. Basta mama, kaya, dili na ikaw, kabalo ka kung sa purpose na mag-inom ka, pero kung yung mama na provide ni mo, dili ka kasi inom. So, ako mom, introduce ko niya sa Essentials and Biomega. And it really helps. Yes. Even sa ito, nag-work na ko sa browser because stressed tayo to, working for like 16 hours. So, wag ko siya ma'am, na-pregnant ko and then iinan ko sa ako ang OB na himala kay ni-fertilize ako ang left ovary which na-added ko ang mga cysts and follicles like visible jod na ni ko. Niya akong bibigay sa left ovary man siya ni ano siya. So, ang hormonal imbalance ma'am is most likely sa imuhang giito sa lifestyle. So, need tao active lifestyle. Dito ko na-start ko running. So, before ko mag-study for exam, sa student ko na-diagnose ako, mag-run ko for like 15 minutes to 20, tapos dito ko mabalik mag-study.
Actually, ako karon nag-take yun ko mga 2 years sa pills for hormonal imbalance. And then, gikapoy naman yung take niya yun. So, what I did, tanan skincare, gipalitan ako yun. Mamahal na ko para lang giki akong hormonal iskari man dire, bugas na ako. So, magikaroon nawa. It's because of sa akong gi-clean akong gut.
Yes.
Once akong gut na clean, mamata ko nakuha ng testimony side. Once maklean imong gut, mawa siya. So, mo nang makuha ko sa prebiotic o probiotic.
Oo. Moto akong I always tell my student to watch this one side and this because if you understand
So,
your
ni-stop
gut,
ko
you
sa
understand
pills.
your needs.
Ni-stop ko sa pills, siguro na ko sa probiotic.
And ang pills at mga so far sa experience, maka-affect din siya sa inyong mood.
Absent.
So far sa ako experience,
Why machine? Salamat.
so this is the the testimonies for the kanang sa sagginess, sa firmness, for the spots, visible siya result. So, mga 1 month, 1 to 2 months of consistently using. Of course, you need to be consistent of what we use to be able to see that difference. So, muna siya sa skincare caravan in just using 1 day of resurfacing serum, increase iyahang moisture.
1 day lang.
Oh, yeah, 1 day ma'am. So, this is the isang na difference no, sinakalaki sa iyaha. So, you're confident na the formulation is really backed by science. It was studied, it's a research and development. Balance and science-based formulas, accredited team of scientific experts, and focus on the health of your cells because, again, your cells are the building blocks of life, and you need to take good care of your cells to be able to survive in this full of stress. So, wala siyang cells. And also, no, of course, because USANA is a community, we have programs and trainings to be able to enhance your skills and upgrade your knowledge about the products. So kahit kung dili man permi na aming pharmacist, that's why we mold our associates also unsa para ma-understand nila on a deeper level. So we have a business symposium coming up, no? For your upskilling of your entrepreneurial skills, and also we have a nutrition coach program. So kami pharmacists ni organize ni og nutrition coach program. Unsa about nutrition coach? It is to enhance your credibility as an associate mo. Kung dili ka medical field, maglisod yung kag-explain sa product. As in, maglisod kag pasabot o sa tawag anak sa product. For example, kami ni ma'am na siya concerns kaya dili ko inanak ka na sa product, so ma-discourage siya. So ma-discourage siya to buy. So this one, it builds trust and credibility sa imuha and with your clients. So we partnered with PRC and TESDA. So dili siya basta-basta. You will receive certificate for that.
When is this?
We, batch 2 ma'am, open na.
Open na?
Yeah, oo.
Pila.
I will research it ma'am sa
Sige.
sa QR. Oo, i-send na ako. So, unsa ang curriculum? So, Module 1, Understanding Human Anatomy. Because you cannot understand the product pag di mo ma-understand yung body. So, maula ka na. Because when you're in the medical field, na anay pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics, what the drug do to your body and what your body do to the drug. So, muna, importante kaayo to have a basic knowledge about human anatomy. Second is nutrition and supplementation. So, ang discuss ani is nutritionist and dietitian. So, iyahang gihod kung sa ka-importance ng vitamins and ikaw, kabalo na ka mo compute sa BMI and kung sa need niya na nutrition for that. So, naka-edge na, no? For example, if nag-store mo, ma'am, let's compute your BMI. So, what do you need? Oh, ma'am, taas of fats. Ma'am, gamay kag protein. So, this is what you need. Naman yung anak. Module 3, this one, si scientist Jude ang mold ni mo ani. So, you will understand the manufacturing of the products of USANA. Nganong wala, katong question ni ma'am, nganong wala to, actually katong glutathione, i-question na sa to siya during the discussion.
I'm the ginkgo biloba.
Si ma'am na sa imong question sa ginkgo biloba. Answer siya. So, what siya? Module 3. So, sa scientist yun. Module 4, kami pharmacist, we'll discuss about the products on a deeper level and back with studies. Module 5, we have the TESDA training certification. It's more on caring, caregiving sa imuhang clients. And Module 6, soft skills, how you present yourself to your client. How do you handle clients like that? How do you present something na makapaminaw sa inyong clients? How you talk, how you bring up yourself in front. So, appeal na siya sa i-discuss. So, to benefit, you earn a CPT unit if you're a healthcare professional. But, if wala kayo healthcare professional, makadawat kayo kung health certificate. So, certification, and if you're in top 20, actually, if appeal ka sa top 20, nakay blazer with your name. So, wala kang maging
Sa class.
sa class. Actually, nag-exam din ni ma'am. Dili ka basta-basta makagat ang certificate pag hindi mo mapasar ang exam. And we have written and oral exam for this.
Even oral. Even oral.
So, this is our batch 1. We have 297 participants. But ang nakapasara is around 200 naraan na. So, 97 wala na siya.
Yeah, sana baby. Sana baby.
Sana bigyan ni Doktora Gladys.
So, for the batch 2, ang nakaniton sa batch 2 when you attend nutrition coach program, you will be recognized in Malaysia if you're part in top 20. Again, sa batch 2 na program, you will be recognized in Malaysia if appeal ka sa top 20.
Coach Audrey, apel kita na ma'am. Apel kita.
So this is actually the QR code for batch 2. So pwede na mo-off time.
Day, apel ta na, Day. Nutrition.
So what's new in USANA?
Apel ba ako sa
So
ilahan?
what's new in USANA? No, of course, because we are in healthcare, health and wellness, we need to innovate the products. So we have the postbiotic skincare. What is this? So may idea sa postbiotic. When you have prebiotic, that is food for your probiotic. Now, your probiotic produce some of byproducts. That is what we call postbiotic. So your postbiotic are your metabolites that contains peptides, vitamins, and nutrients from your probiotic, from your good bacteria. So, mauni siya itong postbiotic skincare. We have the calming cleanser, rescue serum, soothing moisturizer, and barrier balm. Now, para kang pinsani, this is for teenagers that are prone of acne. So, 12 to 20 years old, anyone with blemish, prone, breakout, flare-ups, visibly problematic or sensitive skin, for sensitive skin. Suitable for sensitive skin, dry skin, allergy-prone skin, blemished skin, helps to soothe, calm, and nourish. Because when you have a sensitive skin, grabe ba tayo ang burning sensation, anak?